The superpowers hidden in your body. Healing abilities. Your body is like a self-repairing machine. When you get a cut, blood cells rush to the area to form a clot, stopping the bleeding. Skin cells then multiply to seal the wound, completing the repair process. Even more amazing is the liver. It can regenerate itself, growing back even if up to 75% of it is removed. Humans are exceptional when it comes to long-distance running. Unlike most animals, we use sweat to cool down rather than panting. This allows us to run for hours, outlasting even faster creatures like cheetahs in long chases. The power of memory. The human brain is a supercomputer capable of storing around 2.5 petabytes of data. It processes sensory inputs, makes decisions, and stores memories in a way that outperforms any modern computer. Adapting to extremes. Our bodies are equipped to handle extreme conditions. In cold climates, we shiver to generate heat, while in hot ones, we sweat to cool down. These mechanisms allow humans to survive in environments ranging from icy tundras to scorching deserts. Bone strength. Your bones are incredibly strong. Pound for pound, they're stronger than steel. This is thanks to their structure, a combination of rigid minerals and flexible collagen, which makes them tough but not brittle. Conclusion. Our bodies are more than ordinary. They're full of hidden superpowers. From self-healing to incredible endurance, each feature helps us thrive in unique ways. What's your favorite body superpower? Let us know.